Rio Tinto is a global mining and resources company, been in business for many, many years now. We have a diverse portfolio, including iron ore, which is probably the majority, aluminium, copper, lithium. The goal of the most recent initiative that I'm looking after at the moment is to try to bring standardisation into the way we deliver our major resource development projects. It's to try and maximise and leverage the use of the digital tools from project to project. The other aspect of standardising on a centralised set of tools is that it would be typical for the beginning of a project to spend 3, maybe even 6 months setting the system up, configuring it, ready to go for the project. If we can just simply take our pre-configured environment, either make it available to engineering service providers to use or invite them into our environment, building that intellectual capital as we go is going to save enormous amounts of time and money at the beginning of a job. We really wanted to get as broad a perspective on the best approach to digital delivery as we could. Do we go best of breed or do we go individual single source? But we found Aviva to be the best fit for our business in terms of what we wanted to achieve. The two main competitors were put side by side, and when we looked at Aviva, one of the major benefits that we found was that we already own a lot of Aviva software in our operational space. A lot more effort had gone into the mining modelling and support side of the tools, and we felt that that connection between the design and engineering tools and the tools that we already had in operations, OSI Pi amongst others, was a very powerful message to the business to try and streamline that and join the dots between our project delivery into operations. We have created a platform within the company infrastructure of the Azure cloud. We've set up all the Aviva tools to show what good looks like in an integrated way. And we also use that same environment to establish the portal for each one of these projects. Data on its own is just noise. Data with context is information. If you think of information in context, is actually the thing that provides you actionable insights. The value to the business in all of that is to be able to reduce the time to getting the right information in context, to be able to pick up errors in the information early. An operator or a maintenance person on site, 20% of his time is tied up with finding the information he needs. And to be able to provide him with a tool such as Aviva AIM, you could save 1 hour per person per shift, less downtime, increased availability of plant. It all starts to accumulate, and allowing service providers the ability to come in and do what they do best in our environment, negating handover, negating problems with licensing and administration, and accessing that environment through an Azure virtual desktop from anywhere in the world. That is absolutely groundbreaking for me, and that's what excites me.